What do you call an inexpensive khatna or circumcision? Inexpensive.
What?
A rip-off. I stayed up all night wondering where the sun was. And then it dawned on me.
Hello everyone and welcome to another week and another episode of our long-standing series, The Dad Jokes, or in this special edition, The Dead Jokes, because most of us are pretty dead because
Why is that, Jawad?
because it's Monday and it's blue like this wall and everything is just मैं हालांकि green होनी चाहिए थी technically because हम आज़ादी type चीज़ special भी कर सकते थे, but खैर anyways beggars can't be choosers, ये किसी ने कहा था कभी. But yes, so I'm Jawad, this is Amir, and we are going to do dad jokes, so here goes. जी सर.
पाकिस्तान का सबसे फेवरेट खाना क्या है?
बैंगन.
खुदा दी कसम यार.
कसमें. It would have been funnier if you had just said कसमें.
दो तीन जरा हो सकती है.
हाँ ना, that's funny, but हाँ ठीक है. इस जोक
मेरे अलग किस्म की ना ज़्यादा.
इस जोक में potential था. I think इसको हम draw consider करते हैं because my insides did laugh, like if I'm being honest. यहाँ पे -1 आएगा because he laughed at this. So anyways, what do you call a packet of meth?
What do you call a packet?
Packet of meth being transported in a cream.
Ice cream.
That's actually true. That's what you call. It's called ice cream. So next time you hear the walls वाला go टू तो उसमें देख लेना पहले meth ना हो, because हो चुका है ये आमिर के साथ. True story.
उसी से मुझे पता लगा था.
Exactly. Ice cream.
Yeah.
Okay.
मेरा डीलर यही जोक कर रहा था. लोग हमारे बारे में क्या सोचते हैं?
कुछ नहीं.
ये भी अगर हम ही सोचेंगे तो लोग क्या करेंगे?
वाह, अब ये मुशायरे से अभी तक सेगवे नहीं हुआ.
तो हम दोनों हंस पड़े, हम निकलते हैं. मनाल इसको अकेले हैंडल करेंगे.
Exactly. अब मनाल अपने आप से डैड जोक्स करेगी. डैडी वेयर आर यू? दैट्स द जोक.
Fucking whores.
थैंक्स बजी. So yeah.
कैप्शन में लिखा आ रहा है इसमें क्या कर?
Stars आ रहे हैं.
Fucking whores. Anyways. अच्छा जी. Oh yeah. ये तो I think relatable है. I stayed up all night wondering where the sun was. And then it dawned on me. Segue to second character being introduced mid-season, mid-episode. Her name is Manal Chishti Mujahid. I don't know what. Manal Ali Malik actually. Yes. So yes, please go ahead. Yeah, the floor, the bed, the table, the chair, all is yours.
How do you catch a squirrel? Climb a tree and act like a nut. But you already are.
Yeah, it doesn't apply. Anyways, England doesn't have a kidney bank,
Okay.
but it does have a Liverpool.
That's actually good.
तो हंस लेना. It's good. Like the most annoying thing in a person is when you are like, oh ये अच्छा जोक था. भाई मैं उसका तुम्हारे अच्छा जोक कहने का मैं क्या करूं? हंस.
Just not good enough to laugh.
It was good but not good enough to laugh. खैर, अच्छा खैर.
What do you call a cheese that isn't yours?
ये चीज.
No. It's nacho cheese.
नाचो चीज. It's nacho cheese.
Nacho cheese.
It's nacho cheese. अच्छा खैर.
Nacho cheese.
हाँ जी, आगे.
You go.
I go. I think I'll go. Like actually go. Take the exit and just go.
Shut up.
But खैर, तो पाकिस्तान में वो कौन सी ऐसी चीज़ है जो लोगों को बिल्कुल भी नहीं पसंद?
Everything?
नहीं. आपकी शक्ल.
So lame.
I know it did not a big payoff. खैर.
How do you make a tissue dance?
How?
Tab.
Lungi dance.
You put a boogie in it. तक आ जा.
that was a
हेलो मनाली मलिक, you're on a roll.
Yes.
आप शुरू करेंगे कि मैं?
Up.
ठीक है जी. What did the blanket say when it fell off the bed? Oh shit! ठीक है, मैं यहीं बैठेगा.
Why don't programmers like nature?
I'm a programmer.
Why don't you like nature?
It's boring.
It has too many bugs. Yeah, well.
See, my insides are dead on this because programmer रहा हुआ हूँ तो nothing works really. I'm immune to this line of jokes.
Understandable. Go on.
ठीक है जी. What was even more useful than the first telephone? The second telephone.
Okay.
He's actually playing out an actual
नहीं,
dad-daughter relationship here कि जहाँ पे मैं I'm completely striking out.
Manal is where comedy comes to die. Like that's where it happens.
Stop it.
जी जी.
What did one wall say to the other wall?
क्या?
I'll meet you at the corner. So bad. It's okay.
I went to the doctor with a suspicious looking mole. Then he told me I should have left it in the garden outside.
Good yaar.
So they क्या है यार, मुझे नजर ही नहीं आ रहा.
Yes. Panadol extra ऐसे
Yes.
हालात में काम आती है. मैं कर देता हूँ.
हाँ तुम करो.
एक बेगम ने अपने शौहर से कहा कि आपको अभी भी मेरा कोक बॉटल फिगर नजर आता है. शौहर ने कहा हाँ, पहले तुम 300 मिलीलीटर की थी, अब 2 लीटर की हो.
सही. और बोतलें सस्ती हो गई हैं by the way guys, so that's a good thing I think. Anyways, why did the man miss the funeral?
Why?
He wasn't a mourning person. Nee.
That was good.
Just shut the fuck up. पीछे देख. Seven keys.
अच्छा था, मैं appreciate कर रही हूँ, motivate कर रही हूँ.
सवाल है कि अरेंज मैरिजेस में डिवोर्सेस क्यों नहीं होते इतने?
क्यों नहीं होता?
जब शादी अपनी मर्जी से नहीं की तो तलाक क्यों अपनी मर्जी से होगा? ये अखबार जहां में लास्ट में.
हाँ ये वो, और नौने हाल में भी था for some reason, I don't know why, not the crowd but yeah that's what it is. When does a dad joke become, sorry, when does a joke become a dad joke?
When does a joke
Become a dad joke?
When? When?
When it leaves you and never comes back.
मनाल ये पहले भी हो चुका है ना तुम पे एक दफा.
इस पे नहीं हुआ था, तुम्हारे पे हुआ था. A priest asks a young convicted murderer at the electric chair, do you have any last requests? The murderer said, yes. And the priest asks, what is your last request? And the murderer then says, can you please hold my hand? It was a play on priest being, you know, anyway.
तो एक बच्चे ने अपनी माँ से पूछा, मामा मैं कब इतना बड़ा होऊंगा कि मैं बाहर जा सकूं? माँ ने कहा, बेटा इतना बड़ा तो तेरा बाप नहीं हुआ अभी तक.
यहाँ पे insert Manal's quote, it was good. So I also sometimes do web development, so I made that was the dad joke guys. I made a website for orphans. It doesn't have a home page.
Sad.
Yeah, I know, very sad. Donate for that home page guys, donate.
These are seriously
dark jokes, not dad jokes. You should think about it.
नहीं कह रहे dark dead dad jokes. ओए होए होए alliteration भी आ गई. Dark dead dad jokes. Best. आजादी स्पेशल.
कुछ ट्रेंड इससे बेहतर हो जाएगा एल्गोरिदम से कुछ चांस अच्छा है. Anyhow,
हाँ.
what's the least spoken language in the world? Sign language.
Good. What's the difference between a Lamborghini and a dead body?
What?
I don't have a Lamborghini in my garage. अच्छा.
Does that count? He's like laughing at his own joke.
I'm so funny. Anyways, बाकी आ गया.
If April showers bring Mayflowers.
April?
If April showers,
ये
April,
वही वाली
May,
April.
April,
अच्छा
May,
अच्छा मंथ.
April,
मैं कहीं
month,
और
हाँ.
किसी और अप्रैल की तरफ चला गया.
If in the month of April showers bring Mayflowers, what do Mayflowers bring?
More showers?
Pilgrims.
और
American history.
Pil-
कुछ साल बाहर था मैं.
हाँ,
एक
बहुत-
दफा
बहुत,
course में
हाँ.
था एक, but hello foreign audiences.
why don't cannibals eat clowns?
Why?
Because they taste funny.
Um,
Manal ask.
मैं आंसर.
Go.
What's the hardest part of a vegetable to eat?
What?
The wheelchair.
The what?
The wheelchair.
I
No,
don't
nobody got it. So basically, old people are called vegetables.
Huh?
Yeah. So in American lingo or generally in English, vegetables are referred to people who are very very old, who are in old homes essentially. So this joke is alluding to the Baghban in all of us. Anyways, yes, please.
Why did the zombie go to school?
To get brains.
He wanted to improve his dedication.
Nice. What do you call an inexpensive khatna? A circumcision. Inexpensive.
What?
A rip-off. Guys, with that, with that, I think we should rip the bandit off this torture that you guys were bardashtafying for the last
Bardashtafying.
for the last few minutes. Anyways, so this was us from the Gigs and Roses gang. This is Manal. I'm Jawad. Behind the camera, there's Amir nodding and sleeping. Thank you. Good day, and I hope whenever this episode airs, you watch it, like it, and go like, what the hell. Thanks.
Bye.
Audio Jungle.